Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make stickers from your house. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a sheet of parchment paper cut out in the size of the sticker that you desire to make, and some duct tape that is clear. First, you will need a picture of what you would like to make the sticker out of. When you draw it though, it must be a bit smaller than the size of the parchment paper that you have already cut out. Let's start drawing.
Okay.
If you have found something that is too difficult for you to draw, you can always just place the paper on top of the device that you are using to draw it if it is the size of the sticker that you would like to make. Cut. We somewhat traced it. Now we're gonna add the little details that we can't get on the phone, like the eyes and stuff. Alright, now that we finished drawing it, we're going to take the parchment paper and make sure that the drawing is smaller. If not, we will need to redo the drawing or fix it a bit. So now that we finished with our drawing and we're very satisfied with it and we know that it fits inside the parchment paper, what we're going to do is we're going to paint it. If you're not very good at painting or if you don't prefer to paint, you can use markers instead. Alright, now that we are done painting the sticker that we would like to make, we are going to cut it out along the outlines. Alright, so now that we're finished cutting out the sloth, we're going to take the duct tape and we're going to cover the parchment paper with it, like this. And we just cover the part that we need up, and then we're going to take another layer of duct tape. And we're just going to put the other layer right on top of this. Now we're going to cut it, but we're not going to cut it right on the outline of the sloth. We're going to give a little bit of space when we cut. So like so. Alright, now we're done cutting, so we're going to apply it to the thing that we want to put it on. I prefer to put it on stuff like computers and stuff, but it's your choice. Here are a few other stickers that I have made. Now we're going to apply this one as well. So you want to peel off the parchment paper on the back, and then you want to apply it to the place that you want. You want to make sure that you know where you want to do it before you take off the backing, or else you can't really take it off. Alright, so we found an opening. So now we can rip it off and put it on. And there you go. That's how you make a sticker.